Hi, I'm Clayton from Ohio Power Tool.
Hi, I'm Scott from Ohio Power Tool.
And we're doing the 6th bucket of Christmas.
This is the 6th bucket of Christmas goodies.
All right, let's see what we got in here.
You want to go first? You want me to?
Gridiron Milwaukee hat.
Scale compact digital level with line laser. So you can get nice and straight. Southwire stick light with a magnet on it in case you want the light to stick around. Thermal liner.
Next up is Duck Pro tape. Pretty sure you can tape your car back together with this stuff.
Comfortable fit, all day protection. 18-inch cut sleeve, level 3. And we have a big, beautiful DeWalt shirt, high vis.
All right, next we got a 3-piece Stinger auger bit set from Spider.
Pair of Milwaukee linemen's. Apex impact bit set. Your 9-inch DeWalt tape measure.
Right here we got a DeWalt box cutter.
Then we got a roll of Shure EV electrical tape.
12-pack of 1/4-inch XL28 Brute Platinum bits from Champion.
Brush attachment you put on a Sawzall for if you want to do your nails.
Pretty snazzy Milwaukee shirt. Low maintenance, easily turned on. MX fuel.
Pair of Crescent snips for electricians. A Spider carbide blade and a Stabila miniature keychain / bottle opener.
I think, is that it?
That's all the gifts.
I think that's it.
The bucket comes with it.
Wait, where's the recip saw?
Oh,
right there.
You mean this big fancy one?
Yep.
It'll flex on you, so be careful.
Oh wait, and I need to contribute something too.
Oh, you got one left.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We're also going to include this Black Ladder hoodie.
Beautiful.
And I think that'll wrap everything up.
Happy holidays from everyone at OPT.